Hello everybody, Aki here, and this is Metal Max Returns. I chose the remake because this is the easier one I've heard. I think I've heard. So this one I'm choosing, but I thinking to play the original too. So we can make that different. We can make the comparisons later on. So after I beat this, maybe I will play the NES one or later, or the sequel on Nintendo DS. So without further ado, let's play it. Okay. What? You want to be a monster hunter? Haven't you given up that pipe dream yet, Aki? Father, don't get angry. Hear him out. Don't interfere, girl. Oof! How many times have I told you about the value of honest living? Why don't you get it? You bloody idiot. Wait, monster hunting was... You are a disgrace. I'm disowning you. Go outside. Go stumble around out in the cold a bit. Maybe that'll cool off that hot head of yours. Oof. He really did it, huh? Get lost, scram. I don't give a damn where you go. Yo. And then that came the dawn. Okay. What's up, kiddo? Been making trouble again? Your old man gave you the boot. Oh man. Okay. Aki, you're back in one piece, thank goodness. You must be tired, right? I hope you sleep well. Okay. And okay, it's 7:40. What's up? Oh my... Oh dear. Oh, there's something inside you found fire extinguisher. Okay. Inside them to liquid them too tall. Okay. For now, this is the introduction of the game. Okay, let's go. General store, right? Okay. Long ago, this building was called the transfer center. Say it could be used to transport people to far off places in mere moments. If you ask me, it's just all nonsense. Maybe later we'll use it. Okay. Okay, this is the bounty one. Bounty, I think. Check. Okay, 1,000. Oh, this thing. Yeah, bounty thingy. Bounty thingy. Maybe this is the one I can. Wait. It's the same. Okay. The same place. So I can sell it around. If you see a vending machine, stand in front of it and pick it. Okay. This is memory center where we keep the records of hunters' battles. You want to save? Yes. Click. There. Your record has been saved. Oh yes. Do not have to take care. Not just being without society too tough, you know. Hey. Monster Hunter's job is to hunt monsters. I'm a wandering monster hunter. Just find yourself a tank somewhere and the money starts rolling in. Is this the thingy? Okay. I think this. Okay. Looking for some tools. What do you sell? What the? What the hell? You should make sure you have both suitable equipment and suitable items. If you are going to be headed outside, you should at least buy some recovery capsules beforehand. Well, I can. If you don't equip weapons and armor, they won't do you much good. Okay. Looking for weapons and equipment. There's for the fun. Oh, okay. Where should I? Okay. That was stupid. You can't enter towns when you're driving tank. That's so random. Jackasses can just barrel into a town and run roughshod over everything. Okay, I will do that. I'll not do that. Are there no hunters here in town? Okay. There's a rumor going around that the tank is buried somewhere in a cave south of here. There's a bunch of damn hunters swarming around here, trying to get their mitts on it. Okay. Have you met Oddman Means who lives around here? Yes. Stop trying to creep me out. Okay. I heard he's researching how to raise the. Oh, this one. Is this the one? I knew it. I am the elusive scientific mastermind, Dr. Means. Well, now, what business might you have with me? Nothing. Everything Igor brings to me is already in an advanced state of decomposition. If you happen upon a fresh corpse, bring it straight to me. Okay. Okay, so these were my dead party members. Will revive. Okay. Welcome to the village of Leorad. Huh? Aren't you the mechanic skill? Well, yeah. This is scrap heap. Careful out there. This is where you'll end up. Finish your armor and restock your ammo here at the filling station if you're in a vehicle. At least got none without one. Okay. It's gonna be pretty easy. Okay. Okay. Ow. Oh. Okay, let's grind a little bit so for the money. Let's grind a bit. Wandering Polytank. Okay. So you wanna be a hunter, hey? Give it up already, you'll never be able to hack it. Okay. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Later we'll use that for buying new tool, I think. Wait, let me check. Oh. Oh, nope. Okay, let's check some equipment first before we can grind. Okay. Bowgun is 80. 180 is shotgun. Army gloves. Wait. Arms. What the hell? Huh? Okay. Okay. For now, this is the new time. Okay, let's go. South of here, so southeast. Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's forward it. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Ow. Did you come to look for the tank? No. What? Eh, never mind what I just said. Well, yeah, I will. Oh. Meme. Okay, let's find some secrets, I think. Okay. Check. Keep it into the open box. So, okay. It's empty here. Okay, bam. Nice. Okay. Okay, healing capsule. Nice. But I need more of that later on. Okay. Oh. Oh wait. Can I buy the shotgun? Clear the box. Surprisingly, it's empty. Yeah. It's always empty. Okay, nice. Go. Later, let's go. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, nothing. Thank you. Hello, sir. Wait, let me check that. What was the purpose of that? Just listen to those cowards gossiping about my shitty boost aesthetic. It's distinguished every second. You're still asking what I think of meaning life is. You got to find that out for yourself. No man, this is post-apocalypse Japan, fantasy world Japan, something. Have you heard about the lone hunter who drives a bright red tank? His bright red tank thirsts for blood. His skill is legendary, even his fellow bounty hunters fear him, and his name is Red Wolf. That's Red Wolf. Gaze without flinching upon this desolate world. Have you blazed new trails upon it? Have you reached out to your fellow man? Once you answer those questions, you will know the worth of your own life. Time zone. Okay. Okay. This is the one I'm after later on. Or where I am going to find that. Wait. Okay. Okay. Nice one. Okay. See you later. Thank you, sis. Southern Cave. Oh. Nice, 34 damage. Okay, nice. Oh, nothing. Oh. Ow. Okay, 57 gold, nice. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Nice. Dead. I never thought I would make this far here, huh? Okay. Nice. Okay. Coin. Okay. 106. Oh, nice. 120. No. Okay. Oh! Okay, nice. Missed. Okay, that's Red Wolf. Holy. 82 pieces of gold popcorn. Hey kid, did you get this far on your own? Yes. Pretty reckless kid. Just because I kinda happen save your ass. Sure as hell doesn't mean I'm going to let you have that tongue. Scram kid, get back. The fuck? That's rude. What a pain in the ass. Damn, this is a piece of junk. Auxiliary junk doesn't look up, but I think this I will use that. Then that piece of crap is all your skin. Must be your lucky day, farewell. Wow. You found camouflage fatigues. Okay. I think okay. That was it. Check. Okay. Get in. Mosquito. Wow. Yeah. It's a light tank, I think. Mosquito is the best name. I got them in the mosquito. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh. Nice. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Holy. Boom. Oh. Oh, trying to attack me. Two of your friends ran away because of my tank. Stupid. Autogun. Autogun. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, on. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Oh, I never thought I would have that tank. I have this tank mate. Okay. Pension, yes. I think yes. Yes. The trunk room. Okay, what can I do for you? Okay, this is the, yeah, let's okay, let's get trunk room divides. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Yeah, buffet gourmet. Okay, what can we get? No. Okay. Welcome to the Hunter office. You're the, let me access the data. Dr. Raffle Shah, okay, is in a bog near Negi village. The moist air it breathes is reportedly causing it to grow at an alarming rate. Okay. Salmonella clan. The fugitives of the Salmonella clan, frightened by a fearsome dog, are supposedly hiding deep in the cave somewhere. Okay. Quickly target. Smoke flower. Okay. Oh. Even if you put a signal transmitter, wouldn't be able to receive a signal with it. Should I do if I try receiving function to VS con? Okay, wait. Okay, Salmonella clan. Okay. In a cave somewhere, ha? Okay. One bounty. This is the end of the video. Okay. 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 Oh. Mom. Okay. Oh. Then ah man. Okay. Okay. Nice. Bam. Meteor snail. Okay. Excellent hit. Okay. Your tank will be able to move if you load too many heavy parts on it. You have to figure out on how many turns you'll need to take off for it to move again. Sometimes you might be able to get away with just dropping a few of a few armor plates. Okay. 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 Okay, nope. I'm not going there for now. Let's kill. Oh. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. There are salmonella. Prepare yourselves what the you are not a monkey, you are a human. A stupid idiot. You didn't even check if I... Okay. Okay. Oh. There you go. Oh! Oh. You're not feeling great anymore. There you go. Bam. Oh, okay. Eee! Ow. Mhm. Mhm. Nice one. Lang. Okay. Pull the trigger on the torch. Okay. 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 Oh! Okay, nice. Oh. This is salmonella ka na. Okay, no problem. Immediately die. Die. Nice, 220. I never thought this game would be fun again to play. Oh. Okay, nice. Okay. Holding still. Okay. 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 No, yeah. Yeah, dead. That was useless too. Nice. There you go. Bomb turtle, please. Oh. Oh. Nice. Oh. Wait, I will forward this. Oh. Nice. Nice one. Bye-bye. I will run for now. Oh! Bye-bye. Don't need much money for now. Okay, run away. Pain in the ass. Okay. Pain in the ass when there's something like that. Oh. Okay, run. Okay. Get in. Get out. Check. Ooh. Wait. Nice. Okay, 7mm. Yes. Oh. Okay. Okay. The hell, dude? Oh my god, okay. Nice. Ow. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh. 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 Okay. Check the wooden blocks for the pick up. Okay, stamp on. Nice. I have the armor. Yes, I have the armor on it. I think I need 30 caliber. 30 caliber auxiliary cannon. That's what I need. For now, this works. Okay. Okay, nice. Maybe 30mm I need for it. At least this is the good one. Pam. The soundtrack is so catchy, man. Okay. Pam. Okay. Refill. Okay, nice. Okay. Tools. Knew it. Okay. Don't need this. I don't need it, I think. Okay. Nice. Negi village, right? Okay. 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 Yes. Okay, collect bounty. Okay, nice. Yes. Okay. Access the data. Fugitive. Dr. Rafael Shah is in a bog near Negi village. The moist air it breathes is reportedly causing it to grow at an alarming rate. Okay, thank you. Go. Okay. This memory center. Yes. Okay, this is the end of the video, everybody. This is a new series, so I hope you enjoyed this video, everybody, and goodbye. Bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears, sing a ta-ra